What's up guys? The most awaited smartphone series of 2020, that is Huawei P40 series, is all set to come in the month of March 2020, and we already got a glimpse of their designs through leaked renders recently, which revealed the P40 Duo will sport a rectangular camera islands on the back. The images did not reveal the total number of rear cameras, but thanks to the recently leaked image, we know the Pro variant will come with a total of 5 snappers on its back. A 64MP Sony IMX686 main sensor joined by a 20MP ultra-wide sensor, a 12MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and a macro sensor and a 3D TOF unit. The image shows off the P40 Pro in a blue color with the 4 cameras stacked on top of each other and the periscope unit placed on the right. The P40 Pro is rumored to arrive with a screen measuring 6.5 to 6.7 inch, and previously leaked renders did not tell us whether it will be a notched or notchless display, but a leaked panel of the P40 Pro reveals it will flaunt a notchless screen with slim bezels. It is unclear whether the P40 Pro will come with a pop-up selfie camera or an under-display one, but it is expected that Huawei will be the first company to launch or to come with the under-display camera. So Huawei P40 Pro will be a phone with the under-display selfie camera. So these are the details we know so far about the upcoming Huawei P40 Pro and Huawei P40, and we are waiting eagerly to see this camera beast. So this is all about Huawei P40 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.